So guys, what we have here is USDJPY. By the way, if you were following this consistently, you would have seen how we've predicted, this, USDJPY. By the way, so if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so now. Like, share, and also make your comments. I would want to watch out for what you want to say. So if you take a look at this USDJPY, you can see that we are clearly on a bullish move, right? Price has been rolling up and have included 10 period moving average. So the rules of trading this 10 period moving average is once the price is above the 10 period moving average, we have to go long, but if it is below it, we have to short. So clearly we can see that this price is above 10 period moving average, so we'll be going long, right? So you can see that this price has been rolling up, right? So we would want to still continue to move up. That is exactly what I am seeing. So we once predicted that price will actually roll up to take out this liquidity area here. But before we did so, we kind of see this price was ranging within this area. We can see that once price comes to this level, we tend to see it drop and it will rise up again to the same level, drop, rise up again to the same level. So we actually took it as our resistance and we actually rolled this level down here as our support level, right? So once price actually roll up to the resistance, we tend to see it drop to the support level, right? Then again it will go up to the resistance level and come to the support. Now it has actually gotten to this resistance level, and at some period of time this price has actually been moving around here. So we predicted that this price will actually come out to take this wick, right? And guess what? We've actually taken out this candlestick wick here, this liquidity we all can see here. So now that this price has taken it out, are we going to continue to go bullish move or we will drop? I personally believe we will continue to go bullish. Now I will show you a reason. I'm going to compare the USD index and the JPY index. So for this USD index, so this is the US dollar index. Take a look at this movement on the daily time frame. So let's make this movement from here. You can see this price went up, right? Then a pullback occurred. Then next again we add another bullish move, a pullback occurred, right? So we've added another bullish move. This is a pullback. Now we can see that this pullback has happened, it has finished. On this USD index, what are we expecting next? Another bullish move again. So we would be expecting this bullish move to continue to go up and at least break above this previous highs. So this was the previous highs, right? So at this previous highs, price gave us a pullback. Now we are expecting this price to continue to go bullish, meaning as this price will continue to go bullish, we would want to take out this highs and continue to go bullish. So once we continue to see a bullish move on our USD index, then we would also see it reflect on our USDJPY. As long as the USD index is giving us a bullish move, then we would see a bullish move on our USDJPY. And now take a look at this JPY index, by the way. So if you look at this movement, daily time frame, a bearish move, right? You can see the full trend, price is dropping. So let's highlight some key level here, which I will do so that we will highlight it here. So you see that price came to this, tested this level, right? We saw it came to this same level again. We saw price tested this level, dropped, came to this same level again, dropped. Then you can kind of see like kind of a false breakout at here. So we would highlight this level on JPY index. And the next level we would highlight is this level here. We saw price came to this level, bounce up, came to this level, bounce up. So one time of there's for some time price has been ranging within the area. So now we can see that this price actually broke below it, right? Now that this price has come up again, we can see that this price is now dropping. That's now broken below these lows, right? Of course, once price break it below this previous support level, we would expect price to come to test this support level. And now price has tested it. What's next we will be having on JPY index is another bearish move. So once we will be having a drop again on JPY index to take out this lows here, that JPY index is giving us a bearish move, then we will be seeing a bullish move on our USD JPY. So now the USD index is giving us a bullish move, right? And this JPY index wants to give us a bearish move. So once the JPY index give us that bearish move, then we will see a bullish move, a spike up in our USD JPY. So watch out for it. We can go long on USD JPY. And let's see what this 4-hour time frame says, by the way. Still on a bullish move. we are still on an higher highs and higher lows to actually take the trade. We will go to the 4-hour time frame, and the 4-hour time frame is still on an higher highs and higher lows. So we have to still go long, except this price drops and break this level here. Except the price give us lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, multiple break of structure downward, and it breaks above below this level, then we can now say okay, the trade is over, it's time to short. But as long as the price does not break below it, then we will continue to go bullish on USD JPY.